This simple guide will show you how to set a due date for a Basecamp project task. Whether you're new to Basecamp or just looking to streamline your project management skills, setting due dates is a critical step in keeping your projects on track and ensuring everything gets done on time. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, head over to basecamp.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find your projects displayed on the dashboard. These are the spaces where each project you're working on lives. Now, select the project you want to work on and click on it. This will take you into the project's main hub where you can see all the available tools and features. Here, you'll likely find sections like messages, schedules, and of course to-dos, which is where we're headed next. Once you're in the project, click on the to-dos section. This is where all the tasks, big or small, are organized. To-dos are essentially your task list for the project. They help you and your team know what needs to be done and by when. Within the to-dos, you'll want to select a list that matches the category or phase of the project you're working on. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new list. After selecting the list, click on Add To-Do. This is where you'll begin detailing the specific task you need to keep track of. When you're adding a to-do, start by describing the task at hand. Be as detailed as possible. This helps in ensuring that anyone reviewing the task knows exactly what's expected. Remember, clarity is key in project management. Next, you'll want to set a due date for this task. Click on Due On. You'll have several options here. You can choose No Due Date if it's a flexible task, a specific day if you have a set deadline, or even set it to run for multiple days if it's an ongoing task. This flexibility allows you to manage tasks according to their nature and urgency. In addition to setting the due date, you can add notes and subtasks. This is especially useful if the task requires additional instructions or if there are smaller tasks involved within the main task. Adding notes can provide extra context or details that might be necessary for completing the task efficiently. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and click Add This To Do. And just like that, your task is now part of the project with a clear due date ready to be tackled. There you have it. You've successfully set a due date for a project task in Basecamp. By following these steps, you're not only organizing your tasks, but also ensuring that everyone involved is on the same page with what needs to be done and when. Remember, effective project management is all about staying organized and setting clear, achievable goals. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.